Let's start by drawing this one out. So they tell us that we have an isosceles triangle and that it is an isosceles right triangle, right? So isosceles means that these two lengths are going to be the same, and then since it's a right triangle, we're going to have a right angle here, and that our hypotenuse is going to be 58 inches. Now, I want you to take a look at the beginning of the math section and look at the references, because you're going to see a diagram that looks very similar to this, where you have an x, and an x root 2 for a right triangle. So we basically have a 45, 45, 90 triangle here, meaning that we know 58 is going to be equal to x root 2, and we can use this to our advantage to figure out the perimeter. First, let's figure out what x is going to equal. So if we know that 58 is equal to x root 2, that means that x is going to be equal to 58 divided by root 2, or if we simplify this and write it in standard form, it will be equal to 58 root 2 over 2. The general practice is not to leave a radical in the denominator of your fractions, right? So now we know that what x is. What is the perimeter going to be? The perimeter is going to be x plus x plus x plus, oh, I wrote another x, plus x root 2, or basically 2x plus x root 2. Okay, now we know what x is, so we just have to plug in, then solve. So what I'm going to do is do 2 times 58 root 2 over 2 plus x root 2, which is going to be nothing more than 58 root 2 over 2 times root 2. So let's simplify this term. 2 and the divide by 2 cancel out, so this just becomes 58 root 2. 58 root 2 times root 2. These two radicals are going to become square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So we will then get this to be 58 times 2 divided by 2, and again the 2's cancel out, so then we are left with 58 root 2 plus 58. Is that one of our answer choices? Yep, number C.